Tell me how to fix a Ducane furnace.
If the furnace dies, it tends to be because the control panel or motherboard died. Resetting it may fix the problem short-term, but replacing it is the only long-term solution.
That's several $100s, up to $1,000.
It is usually at the higher end, since the warranty only covers parts, not labor. And with their furnaces, you have to replace the control panel every few years.
That is like a motor, only costlier.
The motors go out periodically too, wearing out in the space of a year or two, not just a sensor you need to replace.
Motors wear out as a matter of course. What is specifically wrong with Ducane furnaces?
Their igniters seem to go out every few months. Limit switches often die in the first months you own the unit.
What else do I need to know?
They are loud, whether you have the standard units or very efficient ones. And sometimes I think the high energy efficiency is inflated because they break down so often.
How would you rate customer service?
Getting spare parts tends to take a long time, and they are happy to chill out, taking their time to send you the parts, while you are freezing your butt off.
I'd like to know how to tell what the solution is, without calling tech support.
One of the most common calls is for the LED status code 3. That error means the pressure switch is open, with the inducer on.
So the pressure switch needs to be fixed or replaced.
Replacing the pressure switch usually won't fix it. Instead, check the wires and integrity of the circuit.
I have not been messing with the wires.
The LED status code 3 is often actually a problem with the control board.
How can I fix it, without paying for a replacement?
Disconnect the power for it, reconnect it, turn on the heat, check that the inducer has turned on and see if the unit comes on.
Also known as, reboot the control board, and hope it comes back on.
At least trying that keeps you from feeling like an idiot for paying an HVAC guy a couple $100 to push the reset button.
At least I have a free thing to check.
Make sure the flue is clear, that the breaker is set right and no fuses are burned out before you call an HVAC guy. You may even have to replace the filters and clean the flame sensor.
If I liked scrubbing, I'd have done the rest of the house by now.